Prince Ejike onochie Felix wa mama oke nwe omunachi jiri oke nwe igwe onochie igwe omunachi alo ọnwa monyukwu ọnwa mogbenye oke nega idekwu oke nwana obuzo onye ka anyị na-ekwu a good man with a good heart, the son of Igwe Onochie of Omunati and the brother of our son-in-law Prince Nonso Onochie Ononenyi, married to our daughter Princess Adobe Onochie. Let Prince Ejike Felix Onochie nwajiugo aka Wale Jablata Nakam lives in Jos. Oh, although on November 27th, he attended College of Immaculate Conception, CIC Enugu, where he passed out as the set of 1982. Wale always brimming with business ideas and immediately started things in various ventures, which took him from Onitsha to Lagos and overseas, from Italy to Asia, and upon return from Aba, Enugu, Oka, where he set up an eatery and hospitality plaza, properly called Sweet Shadow, at the Don Oil Johel, Oka location. For several years, until his recent immigration to the United States in August 2017. Oh, nwajiugo Wale embraces new life in the States with various ventures, including trucking and related services, as he sought to make the much envisioned headway. My kids and siblings will attest to the various thoughts, provoking gifts and memories which Prince Ejike continued to shower and shared with them. The tragedy death of Prince Ejike Onochie, Igwe Onochie family, Prince Oke Onochie, Ezemamani. It is with shock that we receive the news of the untimely death of your son, brother and uncle, Prince Ejike Onochie. We knew him as a vibrant, happy, easy-going gentleman. He was always calm and he was very accommodating of others. He always had a cheerful mind. We are sending our deepest condolences to Ugweze and the entire Igwe Onochie clans, most especially our son-in-law and daughter, Prince and Princess Nonso Onochie. It is a tragic experience to lose a loved one. Oh, Ejike Nwamba, Ejike, may our soul rest in perfect peace. Nani Chukwu Kekama, sign, Obinna Nwakwesi, Omekania, on behalf of Dr. Mmaraka Nwakwesi family. Oh, Kambulo begins to Ike Nandokwa. Amen. This music is from the family of Dr. Mmaraka Nwakwesi, Omelala Obunike, as a condolence message to our in-law, the Igwe Onochie family of Omunachi, on the untimely death of their son, brother, uncle, Prince Ejike Felix Onochie nwajiugo. Our condolences to the entire late Igwe Onochie family, represented by the head of the family, Prince Oke Onochie, Ezewamadu, and their matriarch Ugweze, our son-in-law, Prince Nonso Onochie Ononenyi, and his wife, our daughter, Princess Adaobi Onochie, Nwakwesi. His Royal Majesty Dibe, Eze Mamadu Dibe, Ndome Tutala Dibe, Dibe Nwakwesi, Sunu Kalobi, Adi Sunu Dibe. Obuzenye konwo furubuo, oh, nwajiugo na ya, oge mwa mutala muta, mwoko obioma, like Prince ejike Felix, nwajiugo na, Prince ejike na.